It's been 24 hours, I need more hours with you. You spent the weekend getting even, oh. We spent the late nights making things right between us. But now it's all good, babe. Roll that backward, babe, and pay me close. 'Cause girls like you run around with guys like me till sundown. When I come through, I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Girls like you love fun.
I remember there was one time I was visiting my husband in Nigeria, and Tosin wanted me to go deliver a package to her boyfriend, now husband. So I've really seen them grow over the years, even the birth of their children.
I love you, Mommy and Daddy.
I just wanted to say I'm really grateful for having the parents I have, and I'm really grateful for being brought up in such a great family from people that are really amazing in every way. And
you're the best parents I could wish for, Mum and Dad.
Alhamdulillah, so we thank Allah. Allah has blessed us with kids, wonderful kids and all of that. And without her, I wouldn't be the man I am. And I thank you for what you've done. I thank you for the man you've made me become. And I thank you for your love and support every day. And I thank you for your patience, because the patience has been key in our marriage. And she's always, looked out for the family. She's been she's been a model, not just to the kids, to myself as well. I'll always say this to you, Tosin. I love you with every part of me, and I will keep loving you for the rest of my life.